Let's take a quick virtual Verify site tour of Hot Chili's Costa Fuego projects. Now, Hot Chili is one of S&P's top 10 undeveloped copper resources at the PFS level or above for 2022. And where is this upcoming copper hub? Let's check out where they're situated. We're talking one of the lowest altitude, close to port infrastructure scenarios for a senior project in the Americas. And of course, we're in Chile, land of the copper giants. So here's Costa Fuego. As you can see, it's in this blue layer of low altitude. It's close to port. It's on the coast. Just a great situation for them. Now, the opportunity here for central processing really can't be underestimated. And this includes their Cortadera, Productura, Santiago Z, and El Fuego projects. Now, if we take a look at Cortadera, which is their flagship copper gold porphyry discovery, it's the centerpiece of Costa Fuego with 92,000 meters drilled. The scale is impressive. We're talking 2.3 kilometers of strike at 1.3 kilometers depth at its greatest. Let's check out some highlights. 972 meters of 0.6 copper equivalent, including 412 meters of 0.9% copper equivalent. And the high grade material that you can see here on section is going to underpin both an early open pit and a subsequent underground cave mining scenario. Now, if we step out directly adjacent to the west of Cortadera is Productura. Now, this is a bulk tonnage open pit development with over 330,000 meters drilled. This resource was updated in March of 2022. It's shallow. You can see that most of it is less than 500 meters, but check out this strike length of 2.5 kilometers. That is scale. Now, there's high-grade material distributed throughout the brecciated mineralization, and here's what that high grade looks like on section with some of the pit phases. And as you can see, it's easily targeted early on to support that bulk mining scenario for Productura. Now, quickly looking at El Fuego, this is on the eastern side of Cortadera. This property centers around the San Antonio maiden resource, and this was released in March 2022. This is truly a satellite open pit scenario for Costa Fuego. This structurally hosted high-grade copper deposit was historically mined near surface. You can see here's the 0.6% copper equivalent resource shape. And finally, what is on the docket for exploration for Hot Chili? Let's quickly take a look at Cortadera West, which signifies the next growth phase in Hot Chili's copper pipeline. It's an option agreement with Antofagasta. Drilling is underway as of January 11th, 2023. There's 10,000 meters planned and 4 porphyry targets to test. Now, there's big potential here for a cluster, expanding the deposit footprint. In fact, this doubles the strike length of Cortadera. They'll be focusing on target number 1, which is this blue target up here. And again, 4.1 kilometers strike length. So extending that footprint. And for reference, you can see Cortadera down here in the blue. So quite the growth pipeline. And this is not the only target in the 2023 drill plan. You can see they've got a number of other targets here. There's meaningful scale here for the Costa Fuego projects. 2.8 million tons copper and 2.6 million ounces of gold indicated, 0.6 million tons copper and 0.4 million ounces gold inferred. This is low risk. It's growth focused with 2 rigs currently operating. They're advanced, permitted, and backed by Glencore. They're ESG focused. They've got a water license granted for seawater use and processing. They're low arsenic. They have an aim of high percentage usage of solar power. And just a note that this is the largest undeveloped copper resource not controlled by a major on the ASX. So if you are interested in learning more, please reach out to Hot Chili. Here is their information. They'd love to hear from you. Check out their website. You can take a spin of this Verify 3D model yourself if you'd like more information. It gets a lot more granular. You can have a look for yourself. So please reach out. They would love to hear from you.